everyone. It's Sam from Keats Accounting here. Just touching base with some breaking news regarding JobKeeper. So, as you're all aware, when JobKeeper was first announced, it was for a 6-month window, so it was going to come to an end in September. That was when the 6 months was up. And early on, there was some talk about a review that was going to be done by the Treasurer, which was actually scheduled for Thursday of this week. And we were originally expecting there to be some cuts made to JobKeeper, but with the resurgence of COVID cases in Victoria and in other states starting to look like they're following along, obviously the impact on business is going to continue with, particularly in Victoria, as I said, a lot of businesses still in lockdown. So the meeting was brought forward. It was Thursday. They've actually just made some announcements today. So the breaking news I have is that JobKeeper is actually going to be extended beyond September. It's not a blanket extension for everybody. So everybody that is currently registered for JobKeeper will still be able to claim it up to September for the 6 months that it was originally legislated. However, we're going to continue it forward for businesses if they still meet the criteria. So with the initial release of JobKeeper, you only had to meet that, for most businesses, 30% decline in turnover test once during the 6-month period, and you were eligible for the entire period. If you want to continue to claim JobKeeper ongoing beyond the original September expiry date, and you want to claim it for the next 6 months, then what you're going to need to do is prove that your business is still meeting that decline in turnover test, so 30% reduction in revenue for the June and the September quarters in order for you to keep claiming. So if your business has largely recovered, then your JobKeeper entitlements are going to end in September. But if your business is still suffering, so if you're still in closed down, I know a lot of our clients run gyms and dance schools and yoga studios, karate schools, anything like that that is not able to operate at the moment. If you're in hospitality, all of those sorts of things, then obviously you're still going to have that decline in turnover in the current period. So your entitlements are going to be extended. It will be at different rates. So the old rate of $1,500 per fortnight is going to be reduced. So from the 28th of September, the rate is going to be $1,200 per fortnight, or if an employee is working less than 20 hours a week, it's going to be $750 a fortnight. And that's a reflection of the fact that employees may be receiving a lot more under JobKeeper than what they were getting paid previously. So the goal is to essentially be topping up the wage that people were otherwise getting. So the new rate, $1,200 per fortnight, or $750 per fortnight for employees working less than 20 hours a week. And then from the 4th of January, so another quarter again, the rate is going to change again. So it goes down to $1,000 a fortnight, or $650 a fortnight for people working less than 20 hours a week. And the program's extended for 6 months, so it's now running until the 28th of March 2021. So good news for our clients that are in enforced lockdown, and I guess good news for those that have been claiming JobKeeper and we're concerned that that may be coming to an end sooner than normal. If you are registered for JobKeeper, you are continuing to claim up until the end of September as you otherwise would. Otherwise, as I said, if you meet the criteria, you will be able to continue that for a period of up to 6 months. So that's hot off the press today. Again, we're waiting on legislation for this. Could be a little tricky with Parliament not sitting at the moment, but hopefully we don't see as many changes and amendments and things as we did last time, and this will all go through rather nice and smoothly. But if you have any questions as to how this is going to apply to your business in particular, please drop us an email and we will be glad to help you. Thanks everybody, and stay safe. Bye.